Hello children, the today's topic we are going to learn is oxidation reactions, which is a part of a chemical reaction and equations chapter of 10th class CBSE. Usually we see so many metals when they're left over unused for a long time, there is a special coating over the surface of some metals like iron, copper, silver. Regarding iron, we can say some building materials, just like iron rods and iron pipes. Before construction, the people purchased a lot of iron and they kept it in their premises, unused for some 50 days or 1 month, like that. That is what is exposed to atmosphere. Atmosphere means moisture, atmosphere, atmosphere in which moisture is there. This moisture shows its influence on this iron to form a separate reddish brown layer. Reddish brown layer over it. This will happen when an iron rod or something, iron elements made up of iron, left over unused in moisture, they receive reddish brown layer on it. Okay? If we remove that reddish brown layer, it almost becomes delicate to tear it into pieces. That is what is called, we are saying it as rusting. Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron means that one. Okay? So what is meant by rusting of iron? If iron is left over in moisture for a certain period, so that a reddish brown layer forms on it, that is what is known as rusting. In regarding other elements, if we consider copper, if we left it unused, a green layer is formed. A green layer or a coating, green layer or a coating is formed inside the surface, inside of it. Okay? That is what is the, and in case of silver, in case of silver, if we say a black layer is formed over it. A black layer is formed over the silver surface. All these cases we say it is corroded, or the term we use here is corrosion. Corrosion means a oxidation reaction on the elements left over into the moisture unused for a certain period. Okay? So, in the case of iron, a reddish brown layer forms over it. In case of copper, a green layer or a coating formed inside of it. And in the case of silver, a black layer forms over the surface. So, in order to keep it uncorroded, in order to see the things uncorroded or not corroded, What we do is we just apply painting over, over it after construction. You see, windows and all, we give a coating, red oxide coating. We apply red oxide coating, after which enamel coating we give, so that it lasts long. Its life is increased. If we doesn't do this process, iron will corrode as quickly as possible and it becomes useless. You see, in the present day situation, iron is the only metal which are being used in large quantities, construction purposes and all. So, if we don't apply this process, what will happen is automatically all the iron what we have used is useless. It means that so much amount of money, some trillions of US dollars is getting wasted. So precautions should be taken while using materials like iron, copper, silver, because all these three undergoes oxidation reaction. Okay, and now one more term we have to learn today is rancidity. What is rancidity? In South India or somewhere in Brazil or Mexico or countries like that, people prefer rice items. For their everyday life, people consume rice. So this rice cooked on one particular day, if we left over unused for 2 or 3 days, what will happen? It becomes rancid. Some kind of fungus and all forms over its surface. So this is also one kind of wastage of money. So in order to save this from rancidity, what the manufacturers nowadays are doing, you see, for example, if we consider a chips packet, if we consider, what the chips manufacturers do is they, while packing, they will do tight packing, this 20 rupees lace, 30 rupees lace packets. Before tight packing, they apply nitrogen. They fill the packet with a little bit nitrogen gas, so that this packet's life lasts for much longer time. That is why instructions are given on each and every packet, you see. It is best before 12 months, best before 8 months, like that. It means that after 12 months, it is not advised to eat. So up to 12 months, its life is okay. After 12 months, the gas filled inside will not last long. So that the packets get rancid. That is why this rancidity means oxidation of the content, when exposed to the moisture. In case of metals, it get corroded. In case of eatables, it get rancid. Okay, I think it's clear for you. And you see here, you can do one thing. You just frame a table. Metals, element, corroded, not corroded. One is iron Fe, corroded, not corroded, dash. Copper, copper also corroded, and silver, silver means Ag, corroded. And if you put wood like that, wood not corroded, just like that you observe some elements near you and frame a table so that you will have a better understanding of this concept. Okay, thank you.